Hello, Mapa. Good morning. Or should I say good afternoon? It's almost 1, but I woke up early around 10 to get ready with the city tour arranged by the school. I will be joined by my flatmate,
Yeah, hello. Yeah.
Hadi. So it's also our first time to join the city tour. It will start by 1:30. So we'll get it be hurry. But it's still early.
Yeah, it's 12:30,
Still
then we
early.
have 10 minutes.
10 minutes to spare from the bus stop.
Yeah.
So I'll see you later.
Guidance vlog, maybe to the
Yeah. This is small Central Park here.
So now where do we have to go?
Straight there. So we just went off the bus. This is the public bus station. Then we need to go to the Marktplatz or the city center where the city hall is. So we just need to walk right here. There's October. Really nice. Just like what you see on videos.
Here is our point where we had to come. So here have their road marker. Farmers market.
Welcome to the farmers market. So it's weekend today. It's Saturday. So there's a lot of organic marketplace here in front of the city hall. A lot of their produce, wine, vegetables. How do you say vegetables in German?
This is
Gnomes?
Gemüse.
Gemüse.
Yeah, Gemüse.
Gemüse.
And ops is like fruit.
Fruits.
Fruit is ops, yeah.
Fruits is
Ops.
of
OBST.
OBST, obs, obs
Yeah.
and Gemüse.
Gemüse is for the vegetables.
Gemüse.
Yeah. So where's our now we are at the Friedrich, no?
Now we are We're here already. Well, maybe we'll meet there at the statue. Her name was...
Who was Friedrich?
Hmm?
Do you know something about Friedrich?
No.
So I will explain how it works. But you're
So we already found our guide, and she already gave us the... She already gave us what? Anong tawag dito? Like an audio guide. So we're already here at the Marktplatz in front of the city hall, and we already met with our tour guide right there, where she already gave us the audio guide for the tour, Schweinfurt tour. This will start by 1:30 until 3:30. It's a 2-hour tour, I guess. We're just waiting for the others to come and join us. It's a small group of 20. So see you later. See you later.
2 or 3 weeks ago, I think, for studying
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Welcome. Very nice. It's always good to have new people in the city. What do you know of Schweinfurt? Very much because so when you have a marketplace with a man on it, must have been a very important man. This man should be out of India. This is the part that stands for his Oriental and foreign literature he translated into German. So he was a very, very important man at that time in the 19th century in Germany, but today he's almost forgotten.
Bit boring, no? Yeah. Actually, feels like taking it like a lecture.
Yeah. So after discussing Friedrich Rückert, which is the person or the statue in the middle of the Marktplatz. So he's one of the special people here in Schweinfurt. He is a poet who learned and translated hundreds and thousands of literature from all over the world. So now we're taking another historical site, which is the City Hall.
It's Tuesday in the afternoon, Wednesday in the morning, Friday in the afternoon, and Saturday in the morning. And now at 2 o'clock we finish, so we put away opening, so it's a little busy. And you have been in the city center here at the marketplace already. I guess you have seen our town hall. And here in the city, the biggest boss is the emperor. 7 prince electors in German, Kurfürsten, and they elected the emperor in the Holy Roman Empire. And so, with the coat of arms of these 7 prince electors, it is all.
So it's already 2 o'clock here in Schweinfurt, and they are already closing the Marktplatz, the marketplace. So that is their closing time. So we're headed to a different location now. No. 9.
We can show something new. So these are the small streets in the old part of the city center, and this is a very, very unique building. This house is one of the oldest houses we still have here in Schweinfurt, and you can see on that stone here, you see the year 1611. Yeah, and you see the initials BR.
BR.
That's the initials of the builder of this house, Balthasar Rückert. Who was Balthasar Rückert? He was in the of Schweinfurt. He was a businessman. He sold wine and still the staircase for this house, and here inside the house are a few, how to say, cultural people in Schweinfurt who study still the works of Friedrich Rückert, and so with that Gesellschaft they meet, and so there's still cultural activities here in the house. Okay, so the tower, please shut the door behind us. So we don't want to have the door open. Just shut it, please, because nobody should go inside without a guided tour. So please, the last one, shut the door.
It's different from the houses, like casual houses built from woods.
Yeah, so we
Oh, the river. So we have a river. Yeah.
This is the island she's talking about earlier. There's an island between the river.
Here's the island.
I don't do that every day.
Nice.
You see from here upstairs. It's a wonderful view in the whole area. We have nice weather today.
Yeah.
You see this wonderful autumn, yeah, colored autumn trees. Napoleon, heard about him?
Yes.
Maybe?
Yeah.
He abolished most of the free cities. Schweinfurt was not free any longer, but then belonged to the Kingdom of Bavaria, which for into the Kingdom of Bavaria because in that small self-ruling city there were a lot of everything was very narrow, very restrictive, ruled by the council. They did very strict rules for trading and so on. Schweinfurt started to develop into an industrial city because we had a lot of citizens with a lot of ideas, and suddenly they had the freedom to do everything they want. So the first companies, after being not longer